In this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on Honor Magic V3. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox. Now click search and click install. Now you can click open, and here you can change your default browser, or you can click cancel. Now you can add Firefox widget, or you can click not now. Here you can sign in into your Firefox account, or you can click not now again, and you can turn on notifications from this browser, or you can click not now. And your Firefox browser is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.